Hey guys, here's a little update on my seedlings. These guys don't look great. These guys don't look great, but everything else looks okay. Sage. Zinnias back here. Got some dill. Feverfew. Lots of nice stuff here. This is a gnat. This is a radish. Purple plum radish. It didn't have its secondary leaves when I put everything outside, so I left it in here to see if it would grow, and yeah, that's nothing. This is a little lemon tree that I just put a seed from a store-bought lemon in, a little thing, and just to see what would happen, and that's what's come up so far. Pretty neat. I finally planted all of my peppers. None of them have come up yet because I just did it like 2 days ago. But yeah, I got 30 of them in there. And on my next level, we got a whole bunch of baby tomatoes. The last time you saw these, there were just a few little ones. Now there's so many of them. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the lights off and show you what they are. Give me just a second. All right, so now that I have that light off, we can take a better look at these. We've got 2 little seedlings right here. They're Cherokee purples. We've got 2 little ones here in the Kellogg's Breakfast. These are Kellogg's Breakfast. These guys here are also Kellogg Breakfast. This one here is a blueberries cherry. These guys that haven't sprouted yet are Super Sweet 100 and Chocolate Stripe. So nothing in there yet. But the rest of these have sprouted and look good. I'll move these around. Right here we've got an Amish paste coming up. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. We've got 2 little seedlings of Black Renaissance. And they're already getting second leaves. That's crazy. Right there. Woo, 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 woo. And then this is Cherokee Purple. And then in the back here we've got 2 blueberries cherry. So this one, I don't know about that. And then back here we have a Black Renaissance, and this guy, I think he's too close. I'm hoping I can just transplant that guy in a little bit. Okay, and then this last one that hasn't sprouted yet is an Amish paste. Hasn't come up yet. What I'm going to do is move all the ones that have sprouted in the same little containers together so that they can have more light, and probably move one up a little bit so that the ones that are a little bit bigger can all be under that one, and then the ones that are just going to sprout in a little bit are going to go on the lower one. And this one's a Brandywine pink. Come on, focus, focus. There we go. And this Black Seaman hasn't sprouted, and this Chocolate Stripe back here hasn't sprouted either. So none of the chocolate stripes have sprouted. And then over under this light, we have 2 Super Sweet 100 cherries, a Prudence Purple, no Black Seaman. We also have No Way Show. Okay, hold on. We have 2 black from Tula, 3, how did we get 3 of these? 3 Prudence purple. I didn't realize that I accidentally put 3 in there. I only meant to put 2 in there. Whoops. And 2 black from Tula. And then back behind here, move this guy. We've got a tiny little black cherry tomato sprout right there. Let's see if I can get it to focus on that guy. There we go. Right there. We've got another little black cherry tomato sprout right there. And then here is 2 more brandywine pink. Then in this one here, we have nothing, and that is, what is this? Our white cherry. And then, hold on. We've got a tiny little bitty sprout there, and that is a super sweet 100, which means that this is the other white cherry that hasn't sprouted yet. Yeah, white cherry. Nothing yet. Okay, so the plan for these is to separate out the ones that sprout double into their own cups, and those are the ones that I'm going to give to friends or sell, and or maybe try experimental potted tomatoes. We'll see how it goes.